Hello, this is Matteo. I'm the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. Today we're going to unbox or unpackage a Ringke Fusion-X Google Pixel 3 XL case and apply it to our Google Pixel 3 XL. Security and safety of your device starts on the physical level. It's good to have a good case to make sure that your phone doesn't accidentally get damaged or, in many cases, scratched. There's lots of different types of impacts, different ways you could damage your device, but a good case will, in most cases, protect you from vast majority of small drops and bangs. So Ringke have very kindly sent us this case. The packaging is very straightforward, very lightweight, and on the packaging we'll see that there is, as well as their tag or their slogan, the ultimate experience, there is a nice little detail in the top left of the packaging that says military grade protection, drop tested, USA. So this is very interesting. It's a shock absorption design case for drop protection, and this is what really interests me about this case. So let's open it up and see what's inside. You can probably tell from some of the transparency there is some stuff in it. On the back it states that this is an eco package. It's an environmentally friendly package with minimal usage of the Earth's resource. The best things come in small packages, and our eco-friendly packaging helps us get one step closer to a better Earth. So this is something we can all get behind when looking at packaging of products we purchase, whether online or in stores. This is a very small plastic bag, essentially, which can easily be recycled as well. Now, the other thing is, on the back you'll see links to Ringke Official for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. So this is made in Korea, but you can see they have a significant presence on social media. Gives you a chance to follow them. We'll put links in the description to this video. Now let's have a look at the case itself. This is a black case by the description, and in the package with the case itself you will have an invitation to review the product. That's exactly what we're doing here on Tech Travel Geeks on the YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to us. And a thank you card at that. So thank you Ringke for the thank you card. You can also see there's some literature here about upgrading to different types of cases, charging cables and so on, and chargers. And then here is the instructions on how to set up your Ringke case for the Google Pixel 3 XL. So there's an outside film that needs to be removed, and there's an inside film as well. So this avoids the product getting damaged in transit. And you can see on the packaging it says remove this to remove this protection film. So I'm going to try and do that now. It essentially makes the transparent section of the plastic more durable, less likely to be scratched during transport. So that's one. And this is the inside one, and that's that done. So now it's a fairly straightforward way of getting your phone in. It just slips in. So in this case, my Google Pixel 3 XL slips in nicely. You get to see there's good spacing for the fingerprint scanner. You can see the Google logo at the bottom. You can see there's a nice little detail of the Ringke logo at the bottom of the case itself. And at the top there's a good cutout for the camera, flash and sensors on the top. The same with the microphone at the top and the charging port at the bottom. The Google Pixel 3 XL obviously doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack. So let's unlock this and see how it works. Go into Twitter. Yeah, no ergonomic impact on using the device. It works fine. It's got a good grip to it. I feel it's much safer than having the phone without a case on it, or compared to some other cases I've had for this device, it definitely gives it a bit more of a security. It does feel slightly chunkier, and that's a good thing because I prefer having something that I feel is well protected. It makes me worry about using it less. And it doesn't add much thickness to the Pixel 3 XL. So I'd say all round, it's a good case. It looks as if it can take a bit of a beating. I won't test this out myself because I don't want to unnecessarily put my Pixel 3 XL in the line of danger, but I do feel more confident that the case will protect the device in case of a drop compared to other cases we've had for the Pixel 3 XL. So yeah, when traveling, especially when you're going through airports with passports in one hand, phone with a boarding pass on the other, you might want to have a good case because you never know when you're going to accidentally drop your device. So thank you to Ringke for sending us this review case for the Pixel 3 XL. We will do a full review of it on techtravelgeeks.com, so keep an eye out there. But in the meantime, I think this is our first impressions and unpackaging or unboxing of the case. I'm very happy with it. I'm pretty confident I'll be keeping this case on for quite a while. And that's everything from us. Thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this and would like to see more, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. You can also follow us on Twitter, on Instagram, and our website, techtravelgeeks.com. But in the meantime, thank you to Ringke for sending us this review case. That's everything from us. Thanks very much, everyone. Speak to you soon. Bye.